In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text ticker in Power BI. By the end, you'll have a smooth, eye-catching ticker that continuously scrolls a message across your report, perfect for announcements, KPIs, or headlines. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, open one of your reports where you want the ticker to appear. Any existing report page will work, and you can always move or resize the ticker later to fit your layout. Look to the right side of the screen for the Visualizations pane. This is where all your chart and visual options live. At the bottom of that pane, click the three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Get More Visuals. This opens the Visuals Marketplace, which is a trusted library of additional visuals you can add to enhance your reports. In the search bar at the top, type the word Scroller. You'll see a result designed specifically to create scrolling text tickers. Click it to view its page, then click Add. Power BI will import the visual and place its icon into your visualizations pane so you can use it like any built-in visual. Now that it's installed, add the scroller visual to your report. You can do this by clicking the new scroller icon in the visualizations pane, which places it on the canvas. Position it where you want it to appear and adjust the size so the text will be easy to read. A wider shape typically works best for tickers. Next, locate the data that contains the message you want to display. In the Fields pane on the right, find the table and field that holds your text. This could be a single message, a list of updates, or a field generated from a measure. With the scroller visual selected, drag your message field into the visuals field well so it knows what to display. You should see your text begin to scroll in the visual on the canvas. If your field has multiple rows, the ticker will cycle through them in order. If you only want one continuous message, point the visual to a single row field. Once the text appears, you're set. Optional formatting like speed, direction, and colors can usually be adjusted in the visuals formatting options if you want to fine-tune the look later. That's all you need to create a scrolling text ticker in Power BI using the scroller visual. Save your report and you're ready to share an engaging, always-on message with your audience.